Hi, this is Digital Nimish, and today I'll able to tell you what are the things that has been associated with the brand that is called as Coca Cola. How the Coca Cola started the journey of branding. I'll able to tell you. So let's just go ahead. I'll just make the screen small so that you'll be able to go ahead. So let's just take the example right now. Okay. So Coca Cola is the brand that we know each and everybody, and we all know about Coca Cola. It's a soft drink brand, and it's a world, you know, at a world level, it's the best brand right now that is being outed there in the whole world, right? So, how it started, how what was his history, and how going ahead and becoming a popular brand. What are their brand strategies? I'll able to share you. So be there. I'll able to tell you each and everything right now. Okay. So let's just started our session for today. So Coca-Cola Company is one of the world's most recognizable brand with the long and interesting branding, right? So if you've seen that Coca-Cola is been having a color combination of red and white that you already know. So what is the history behind Coca-Cola, right? So Coca-Cola was first created in 1886 by the pharmacist named John Pemberton in Atlanta, Georgia. He created a syrup that he claimed could cure a variety of ailments, and he sold it as a medicine. Now see, the brand started with a medicine, right? The syrup was mixed with carbonated waters, and as a result, drinks were sold at the soda fountain. So, like in the starting, when this person named as John started the things, so he started with 10 bottles of Coca-Cola, and then gradually it becoming a different way of branding, and making the things in a different way and a different a vision, so that they will be able to make this as an awesome thing, right? So I suppose you get inspired. If you get inspired, you don't know about it, just type, if you are watching on Facebook or YouTube, just type I'm inspired, right? So let's just go ahead. In 1882, Coca-Cola logo was created. Sorry, it's 1892. Coca-Cola logo was created long back, and it featured the famous script logo that is still used today on, right? So the branding is been there. The logo was there at that time, and the same logo right now you'll be able to find it today. Only the thing is the color is being changed. Previously it was in black and white color. Right now you'll be able to get in red and the color as white, right? As well as the image of two young women drinking Coca-Cola. So that has been there. That was at that time, right? And the logo was designed and convey the idea that Coca-Cola was a refreshing and healthy drink for young peoples. So it's basically is a sort of emotional touch that is being there, so that it will be happening or hoping is that refreshing with a healthy drink for the young peoples. So that has been there, right? Now, over the years, the Coca-Cola logo has undergone several changes, but the basic design remains the same. So that's the basic and the most important priority whenever you are having your brand, so that the logo will be something that should be changed, but not the overall look is being changed. So the same is there. The basic design remains same. That has been there in the year 1800s, right? Okay. The company has also developed a number of advertising campaigns that have becoming iconic, including Share a Coke campaign, where the Share a Coke campaign is what whenever you are sharing a Coke to other person, the person will be able to write it on that like icon, that Coke with your name. So that is being there. So that is an emotional touch feeling that is being associated with that, with the brand. Even encourage people to buy Coca-Cola with their friends name on their portal. So that is also been there. So they are encouraging each and every people to buy the Coca-Cola bottles for this, right? Now Coca-Cola is also having an associated with number of the famous slogans over the year, including the first one is that the pause that refreshes. It's the real thing. and open happiness. So these slogans are helped to reinforce the idea that Coca Cola is a refreshing and uplifting drink that brings people together. So it's a basically the way where you will be able to get peoples together, and it's an uplifting and refreshing drink, right? So whenever we are using a carbonated, water drink, so that has been there, so you'll be able to get refreshed out of it because of the carbon dioxide, right? So that has been the awesome thing. So that has been associated with the brand. Now, another thing is that today Coca-Cola is the one of the most recognized and valuable brands of the world. With the presence of over 200 countries, the company continues to evolve branding and marketing strategies to connect relevant and appealing a new generation of consumers. Now you can see how it's started from the history, right, with John, and how it has been an accidental drink that has been there, and it's right now the world famous brand, right, of the world. That's the inspiring way to connect the dots, and we'll be able to go ahead with that, right? If you are inspired, type inspired, so that in the Facebook, if you are watching on the Facebook, or if you are watching on YouTube, just type inspired. I'm inspired. Yeah. Okay. So let's just go ahead. I'll tell you about the brand vision of this particular company. The Coca Cola Company brand mission is to refresh the world, inspiring the moment of optimism and happiness, create value to make a difference. So you'll be able to get inspire moments of optimism, happiness, and create values to make the differences. This is the branding mission, right? Now, the branding strategy that Coca Cola follows is CEBPS. Now, what is C? C is called as consistency, right? Consistency is what it will be. I think Coca Cola has been very consistent in branding. So every time it will be able to have the same branding, same logo, each and everything is being same. Only the connection is different, the relationship is different. Now another is called as emotional connection. Now emotional connection is that connection, right? Where you will be able to get things like, whenever they are having a campaign of happiness, and different types of campaigns they run, so they have an emotional connect with their audience. So whenever someone is drinking Coca-Cola, they feel happy, they feel open-ended, and they feel relaxed, and they feel refreshed also. That has been there in their brand mission, right? Then brand extension. After Coca-Cola, they have, it's having a different varieties of things that is being added to Coca-Cola. It's not one Coca-Cola. You'll be able to have different flavors out of it, so that you'll be able to have many juices and all that is being provided by Coca-Cola company, right? So that has been a brand extension is the most important point, where one brand is there, but you will be able to have a different brands out of it, sub brands out of it, right? Then personalization. Now personalization is that the same thing that if someone is been drinking Coca-Cola, write the names of that and all. The personalization of the brand is the most important way, and another is called as sustainability. Now, Coca-Cola is a company that started in 1892. Now, today is 2023, and you'll be able to get Coca-Cola. Everyone, a small boy can, use this word. And in our India, that is being called as Thanda Matlab Coca-Cola, right? So that is the way, that is the sustainability that is being there. So I prefer this is the brand where you can go ahead, you can research your things out of it, and you can't predict that your brand is to be there with Coca-Colas and all, right? So I'm just able to help you regarding this, and I'm on a mission to help 100,000 people to make them digital brand expert, so that they will be able to make their branding and the next level, digital branding to the next level, because this is the era of digital branding, right? So if you want to learn more, you can join our community, and you will be able to follow me on my different platforms. So I suppose this will be giving you a powerful, information and knowledge. So you can share with your friends also to go ahead with, and all the best. And I'll able to see you soon. Thank you. God bless you.